Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to change the radar timeline in the AccuWeather app on your phone. If you want to track weather patterns accurately, knowing how to adjust the radar settings is essential. First, open the AccuWeather app on your phone. Next, look at the top right corner and tap the three horizontal lines to open the main menu. Then, scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap on it. After that, click on Radar and Maps to access the animation options. Now, under the Radar Timeline section, you will see different options to choose from. You can select between past and future, only past, or only future, depending on what you want to see. Finally, tap on your preferred option to apply the changes. This will adjust the radar view according to your selection, allowing you to track weather patterns in the past or forecast for the future. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends.